Next is Blake Susman, founder and CEO at Rowland.ai. Blake is a visionary entrepreneur and technology innovator with 20 years of experience transforming the intersection of land management and software. In 2008, he founded Paramount, and they give the best coffee mugs every year, by the way. And with it, pioneered a proprietary project management platform that propelled the company to become a trusted leader in oil and gas land services. Building on this legacy, Blake launched Future-Proof Tech in early 2024, assembling a global team of experts to develop cutting-edge AI tools and consultative services that modernize antiquated workflows. The company's flagship product, Rowland, revolutionizes oil and gas, land and minerals acquisitions, operations, and management with the profession's first AI-powered assistant and platform. This generative AI solution is tailored to empower land professionals to streamline workflows, boost efficiency, and drive execution. So with that, Blake, come on up. Good stuff.
Thanks, Ted. I think I've been waiting for AI my entire career. It's a pretty amazing time to be alive. Now, full disclosure, being on this stage right now is about 5 exits past my comfort zone. But I'm so excited about AI and to share what we've built that I decided to take the plunge and do some public speaking. But we're all feeling this tension right now, a bit out of our comfort zones with AI and new technology. But the truth is, this is our collective take the plunge moment. Get in now or risk being left behind. That's why I'm here. Not to impress you with AI buzzwords, but to share with you something that's actually working in the field today. You might be thinking, my team doesn't need AI. I don't want to learn a new software. We can't afford another tool. But the question isn't whether you can afford to adopt AI, it's whether you can afford not to. Have you ever looked back and realized we definitely overpaid for a deal? Or watched your smart team burn dozens of hours on data entry, or just looking for info they need? Or had the gut feeling, there's got to be a smarter way to work? I've asked all of those questions myself. I've lived them. I started my brokerage, Paramount, in 2008. We've since supported over 100 clients and worked over $25 billion in deals. Our strategy has always been to continuously innovate and leverage technology to gain a competitive edge. From building our own project management system, to being early adopters of OCR and machine learning, to designing custom due diligence tools. When generative AI matured, I saw it was a game changer. Maybe you've seen the same thing. However, nothing on the market could do exactly what we needed. So I created an AI tool built specifically for land professionals. That tool is called Rowland, as in right-of-way land. Quick show of hands. Who here has tried to use ChatGPT or another AI tool in their work? That's a lot of hands. Who saw the amazing potential but was disappointed with the results? Almost everyone seems to be feeling this way right now. And that's exactly why we built Rowland. To make this vision a reality, I hired a world-class team of experts. How do I click this? Okay, sorry, I thought I would have a clicker. Yep, there we go. To make this vision a reality, I hired a world-class team of experts. I'm so proud of them and what we've accomplished together in just over a year. And we're just getting started. In the interest of time, this is just a very high-level overview of a few of our key experts, just to give you a flavor of the talent we've assembled. Albert is our AI advisor. He's currently a director of North America at Meta and also lectures on AI at Harvard. He helped me assemble our AI dream team and advises on our AI strategy. Jairus is our full-time land SME and AI strategist. He has been focused full-time on training and fine-tuning Rowland's knowledge base for over a year. He was recently named the AAPL Landman of the Year for 2024-2025. Shout out Jairus. In part, due to his efforts demystifying AI and helping professionals start using it in their work. We have an additional 12 people on staff with advanced degrees and deep AI backgrounds. They've worked at places like Google, NASA, Citadel, CERN. That fusion of deep land and deep technical expertise is what makes Rowland so different. Here's some other distinctions that make Rowland revolutionary. We recently received an official endorsement from AAPL, a huge validation that this tool is built for and with land professionals. It's very unique for an AI app to have an endorsement from a professional association. Rowland is a true AI-powered workflow companion and assistant, the ideal tool for a deal maker. Other AI tools are excellent to help find data, provide helpful chatbot experience, and other helpful use cases. Rowland is a tool for getting work done. We continuously improve Rowland's brain and knowledge base so that it thinks like an expert land professional and can offer meaningful advice and assistance. It's continually trained on land and legal concepts as well as state-specific rules and regulations, tailored for maximum impact in workflows common to land professionals. As I just mentioned, our team possesses deep expertise in AI and land, whereas many software offerings have either tech people with limited land knowledge or a land professional who has a vision without the technical background. Rowland has a massive processing capacity, much larger than off-the-shelf large language models. This enables bulk upload and upload of large documents. Before Rowland, analyzing 10,000 leases would take weeks at a minimum. Now, it's 2.5 hours to upload and minutes to analyze. That's not incremental improvement, that's transformational. Rowland users can talk to a human expert on the phone, or Zoom, or Slack, to get support and training, which is not typically offered by LLMs. Our team is available to help every step of the way, from initial onboarding through ongoing support. Now, let me show you why this matters. These aren't concepts. These are things we're doing every day. Let's look at how Rowland transforms your daily workflow. This is what the future of land work looks like. Using general AI for land work is like bringing a butter knife to a gunfight. Rowland is your specialized arsenal. Here, we're comparing the output from ChatGPT to Rowland. As you see, ChatGPT is mixed up. Now let's see what Rowland has to say. One big motivating factor behind my decision to invest in developing a custom AI application was the basic land concepts that other LLMs just get wrong. Okay, yeah, that's the type of answer I was looking for. This one blew people away at NAPE. Our booth was mobbed the entire time. Handwriting transcription. Rowland can transcribe this century-old handwriting, something OCR and machine learning still struggle with. Reading handwriting like this used to require a landman, a magnifying glass, some educated guesses, maybe a shot of whiskey. What takes a person 5 to 10 minutes to decipher, Rowland just handled in seconds. This response can be formatted however you want, including as a table that can be exported into a run sheet. I'll show you an example on the next slide. Okay, let's drop a lease into Rowland. It's going to pull out all the key terms accurately and instantly. So as you see, we're selecting from 60+ pre-programmed prompts that we've put in to help users get used to using the platform. Because Rowland has context like a land professional, it knows exactly what's of interest to me. Paramount used to rely on OCR and machine learning for this. Now we use Rowland. It's faster, smarter, and more flexible. Rowland isn't limited to certain document types and doesn't require extensive sample documentation to learn. And the output in table form is copy-paste ready. Let's take it even further. This one was a big wow moment for me. Rowland is analyzing a division order title opinion. It's going to flag the curative items. And as you see, again, we're selecting from one of 60 pre-programmed prompts. So we've uploaded a DOTO. Rowland has analyzed it. It's extracting the ownership information, and it identifies the curative items. And then, like a junior landman that never sleeps, it drafts exactly the documents that you need. It would have taken me 15 minutes just to read the entire title opinion, let alone to pull out all the key info. So now, let's ask it to draft the documents needed to resolve each issue. Let's start with requirement number 1. Let's see if it can handle context and remember what we need. Okay, a stipulation of interest. Spot on. As you see, it drafts this entire document, including the notary block. This is now ready to copy and paste into Word for any revisions or customizations you might have. So let's see if it can handle requirement number 2. And talking to Rowland is just like talking to a person. You learn over time how to ask it questions to get exactly what you need. Okay, it's identified it needs a quitclaim deed. Once again, in seconds, it puts a draft in your hands. It's fast, it's accurate, it saves hours. As you can see, saving an hour per day is probably a conservative estimate, but this is just the beginning. Everything that you've just seen was launched 2 months ago at NAPE, and we have not stopped improving. We have several clients using our enterprise platform, which includes training, white glove support, shared knowledge, bulk upload capacity, an AI-powered document repository, and plugins with land systems. We're currently piloting automated workflows with clients like RISA, where Rowland takes incoming division orders, well proposals, extracts the data, and then pushes it into their custom ERP system. I'm most excited about these agent-style workflows, which is goal-based AI that performs multi-step tasks across software. We've been testing and using them for several months, and by this time next year, I believe we'll be automating 100-step processes. This is Rowland evolving from a smart assistant into a full AI-powered work platform. Let's see what that looks like. Here's a Mark-exclusive preview of Rowland's new interface. We've got a revamped Assistant tab for even more intuitive interaction. Cloud for document storage and bulk upload. Again, we recently uploaded 10,000 leases in about 2.5 hours, and then they were live and query ready. We're creating geospatial tools, such as auto mapping and a map interface. And we're establishing better connectivity with Google, Outlook, Word, and SharePoint. Okay, we've got 2 QR codes here. If you're thinking, which one do I scan? The answer is both. Scan the left QR code for a demo for team or enterprise accounts. These options are more white glove with hands-on support. Mention Mark. We'll try to squeeze you in even though we're already fully booked through the end of April. Scan the right QR to start a free individual trial. No credit card required until purchase. You've got 7 days to explore. Individual accounts have some support, but they are mostly self-serve. 20 years ago, I started with a legal pad, a spreadsheet, and a dream. Today, we've got AI analyzing and handling 200-page title opinions and analyzing 10,000 leases like it's nothing. I've spent my career looking for ways to work smarter in this industry. Rowland isn't just another tool, it's the culmination of that journey, and I am truly excited to share it with all of you today. I started by saying we're all a few exits past our comfort zone with new technology. But with Rowland as your guide, you won't just find your way, you'll lead the way. And if you haven't started with AI already, you're falling behind. AI won't replace people. People who use AI will replace people who don't. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. It's time to take the plunge. By next year's Mark conference, how many hours and how much money will you have saved? How many more deals will you have closed? The difference between those who take action with AI now and those who don't will be measured in millions of dollars. Rowland is here to help you lead the charge in this new frontier. So I've just thrown a lot at you. I'm hoping it was inspiring. I'm hoping you're thinking about the many potential use cases that would make a big impact for you. Let's continue the conversation. I'm here to help. Carl, Sabrina, once again, you've raised the bar. Thank you for this opportunity to come here today and present Rowland to this awesome crowd. And thank you all for your time and attention.